We have put together a video of the 5 best alarm clocks for heavy sleepers on the market. So let's get started with the video to find the best one for you. Number 1. Most popular, Sonic Bomb Dual Extra Loud Alarm Clock. For a sound sleeper, even the loudest buzzer won't work. That's why the heavy-duty Sonic Alert uses a full range of sensory experiences. Not only does it deliver a 113 decibel blast, it also shakes the bed and flashes lights until you turn it off. The shaking element is about the size of a hockey puck and can be placed underneath your pillow or mattress to jolt you out of bed. The Sonic Alert is highly rated and is an affordable option. Number 2. Peakeep 4 inches Twin Bell Alarm Clock. This extra loud and vintage style option is a great heavy sleeper alarm for someone who cares about aesthetics. Rather than a modern digital display, it's fully analog with bolt hour and minute hands to make it easy for checking the time. One element that could put some off is that it doesn't feature a snooze button. The Peakeep has to be reset each evening, which for some nights seem irritating. However, reviewers say it's shrill enough to raise the dead, and it's one of the best budget options out there. Number 3. Clocky Alarm Clock. If you want a powerful clock that can double as your quirky, cute, robotic friend, Clocky is a no-brainer. This little digital option is outfitted with all-terrain wheels, and when it goes off, it starts to move, jumping off your nightstand and requiring you to chase it down and turn off its chattering beeping. Clocky is a great option for snooze button junkies. Along with its robotic twittering, it sets off light akin to a rave to get you moving. Clocky is the perfect gift for the college student dorm decor, graduation, and back to school. Number 4. Extra Loud Vibrating Alarm Clock. If you like checking the time in the night, the PPLE is a great option. This clock has a dimmable 7-inch LED display and features a night light that can be set to several different colors. It has 3 wake-up modes with both shaking and loud buzzing sounds to help you get going. This highly rated clock is easy to use and parents love it for kids who need a night light for sleeping. Reviewers like that most feature can be adjusted from tone volume to display brightness. You can tailor it to suit your needs. Number 5. PiLife 3-inch Cute Mini Non-Ticking Vintage Super Loud Alarm Clock. The PiLife isn't just cute. It's also one of the loudest retro clocks out there. It comes in 6 throwback colors, including mint green and powder blue. However, don't let its adorable appearance fool you. The PiLife will be loud enough to make your teeth rattle. Mini Hammer offers an extra loud singing super loud ball ring for people who are heavy sleepers, mild loss hearing, and even deaf. No snoozing button, it is a good wake-up call for people who has trouble waking up.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.